Do you ever start a conversation in English and then suddenly go blank? You say your first sentence, but then nothing comes to mind. Hi, I'm Dave, and welcome to DominoLingo, where I help you speak English fluently using my special domino method. Here, you'll learn how to connect short sentences like dominoes, so you can speak naturally, confidently, and without stopping. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect from this channel for beginners, intermediate, and advanced levels. So, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community of confident English speakers. Let's start with a simple situation. Imagine you're thirsty and you want to tell someone you need a drink. What can you say in basic English? Our first domino is thirsty. Repeat after me. I'm thirsty. Okay? Our next domino is drink. Repeat after me. I want a drink. Now, the next domino is like. Repeat after me. I like water. So, when you're thirsty, you can say, I'm thirsty. I want a drink. I like water. That's clear and natural for basic English. Now, let's move to intermediate English. These words are natural and slightly more expressive. Our first domino is absolutely. Repeat after me. I'm absolutely thirsty. Okay, our next domino is feel. Repeat after me. I feel like a drink. Now, the next domino is favorite. Repeat after me. Apple juice is my favorite. So, at the intermediate level, you can say, I'm absolutely thirsty. I feel like a drink. Apple juice is my favorite. That sounds smooth and more natural. Finally, let's look at advanced English. Here, we use richer words to express the same ideas as basic and intermediate levels. Our first domino is fancy. Repeat after me. I fancy a drink. Okay, our next domino is parched. Repeat after me. I'm absolutely parched. Now, the next domino is resist. Repeat after me. I can't resist a cold glass of lemonade. So, at the advanced level, you can say, I fancy a drink. I'm absolutely parched. I can't resist a cold glass of lemonade. It's natural, expressive, and fluent. That's it for today. You've seen how DominoLingo works for basic, intermediate, and advanced English. For beginners, we start with 3 dominoes per sentence. For intermediate learners, we gradually expand the dominoes. For advanced learners, we have even more dominoes to connect your sentences naturally. Now it's your turn. Let's change the situation. Imagine you are tired. Create 3 dominoes for this sentence. I want to sleep. Write your dominoes in the comments below. I'll check them and help you improve. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next lesson. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.